Welcome all of you. Dear student, I welcome you all to the class of Mathematics BSc 3rd year, semester 5th and paper number 14th. And paper name is Operation Research. Dear students, in the preceding section, we have discussed about some extensional cases, means optimum solution graph, infeasible solution, and unbounded or bounded solution. These are some external cases previous lecture discussed. Today we discuss general linear programming problem. Students, what is the definition of general linear programming problem? We shall now consider linear programming problem in the general context, that is when the number of variable is more than 2. We know the definition of objective function: constant and non-negative constant. So see, general linear programming problem define: let z be a linear function. We know the value of z is equal to objective functions. Z be a linear function on R to the power n, defined by this equation: z is equal to c1 x1 plus c2 x2 plus up to cn xn. This is equation number A, like this. You know the objective function z is equal to maximum or minimum. Here c1 c2 cn, this is a constant value, and x1 x2 xn, this is a variables. Now where cj is our constant, I have already explained. Let aij be an m by n real matrix. Aij means equation number B. This is equation number B, and aij, I means 1 to n, j means 1 to n, like this. Aij means a11, a12 up to a1n. This is a constant value, and x1 x2 xn, this is the variables, and this is the first constant. Let aij be a m by n real matrix and b1 b2 bm be a set of constants such that this equation number B, equation number A is a objective function, equation B is a constant. a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a1n xn. Your problem is greater than equal to or less than equal to or is equal to b1 form. Okay, less than equal to means maximum form, greater than equal to means minimum form. Okay, second constant a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a2n xn greater than equal to or equal to is equal to or b2 up to am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus up dot plus amn xn greater than or less than equal to or is equal to bm, and finally let xj greater than equal to 0, j from 1 to n. You know already equation number A is a objective function, equation B is a constant, and equation C is a non-negative constant. This is the n type of the problem. That's why general linear programming problem. The problem of determining an n tuple means x1 to xn, which make z is equal to objective function, your problem minimize or maximum form, such that B and C, equation number B and C is called the general linear problem. This is a definition of the general linear problem. Now next definition, objective function. Z is equal to C1 x1 plus C2 x2 plus Cn xn, which is be minimize or maximize any form, is called a objective function of a general linear problem. The definition of constants, the equations B like this. Equation B means your constant, all constant are called the constant of the general linear programming problem. A non-negative restriction, I have already explained to non-negative restriction is always greater than or equal to 0 form. See the definition, the set of inequations, equation C is usually known as the set of non-negative restriction of the general linear programming problem. Next definition, solution. An n-tuple solution means n variable x1 to xn of real numbers which satisfy the constraint of the general linear programming problem is called the solution of the general linear programming problem. Student, next definition, feasible solution. Any solution to the general LPP means linear programming problem which also satisfy the non-negative restriction of the problem is called a feasible solution in the general linear programming problem. And last definition, optimum solution. Any feasible solution which optimize means minimize or maximize the objective function of the LPP, general LPP, is called the optimal solution of the general LPP. Okay. Next definition, slack variable and surplus. Both definitions are very important. Okay. First definition, slack variable. Let the constant of general LPP be constant, only constant. This is the sum of z is equal to 1 to n aij xj less than equal to bi. Condition, see the condition, less than equal to bi, I means 1 to k. Then the non-negative variable x n plus I which satisfy sum of j is equal to 1 to n aij xj plus xn plus I is equal to bi. When your constants are less than equal to form, then we have one variable here add and you put the constant equally form. Next are called a slack variable. Now second definition, let the constant of general LPP sum of j is equal to 1 to n aij xj greater than equal to bi. I means k plus 1 comma k plus 2 up to l. Then the non-negative variable x n plus I which satisfy the equation sum of j is equal to 1 to n aij xj minus xn plus I is equal to bi are called surplus variable. Surplus variable are also known as negative slack. Okay. So students, I hope understand this lecture. So next lecture we are discuss about the graphical solution with. So thank you.